Hi, my friends. Happy to see you again. After special long Chinese New Year, finally, we came back to our factory again. It's a really long Chinese New Year. And because of the coronavirus, you may hear this right. Now we have a lot of special rules for it. Like, before we enter the factory, we have to take the temperature. We have to take the temperature and wear a mask. Everyone should wear a mask. And if the temperature is normal, and we can sign the name, ID copy, the telephone number, and where are you from, something information like that, and then we can go inside. So it is very strict because everyone should to avoid the virus. And this is our QC room. And now you can see just a few of our colleagues, they have come back to work. Because of the coronavirus, a lot of cities and countries, they are blocked. And many of our workers, they can just stay at the hometown and they cannot find a way to go back to Shanghai. And even if they go back to Shanghai, they have to stay at home for at least 14 days. And during the 14 days, if they have no fever, no cough, and no symptoms, then they can apply for work. So now just less than 10, I think less than 10 workers, they have been come back. And you can see there are lots of machines in our CNC workshop, but only a few of the machines, they are available to recover to work. And this factory is based in Shanghai. We also have factories based in Wenzhou and Kunshan. But in those two cities, our factories are not available to open now, especially in Wenzhou because the Wenzhou is influenced by the coronavirus quite heavy this year. So it may be open again. I think would be at next month. But the factory in Kunshan will be open soon. But our colleagues at the headquarters, the office colleagues, they have recovered to work since last 2 weeks. Most of them they work at home because we can accept the orders, reply the emails, and to do some works online, and it is quite convenient. So if you have any questions or some order requirements, you can just send us. And now it is quite the produce time is influenced by the coronavirus because you can see like here in our CNC workshop, those machines still cannot work. But I think soon the Shanghai factory will be recovered to normal. Because next week, most of our workers, they can go back. And the produce time will be recovered to the normal maybe at the end of this month. And but life here is not so convenient as before. For example, like for the lunch, most of the restaurants nearby is closed. Like all of the restaurants in 5 kilometers, they are closed. Now we just drive to like 10 kilometers to KFC to buy some to KFC to buy some lunch for our workers. And so it is our brief introduction for our factory, and bye.